People management. So how you are talking with the people, how you are managing the people, okay, how you are utilizing the people, how you are maintaining relationships with the people, how you build networking, these things must be required. Okay, so for this, there is one series we covered, influence series. Have you remember? Influence. How the people are going to influence us. How the business people are going to influence. How the company people are going to influence. Have you remembered, right? There are 6 laws I covered in the influence. Reciprocation. Reciprocation is the first principle. So, if you are giving something, automatically you are going to get that. That's why business owners, they're always going to apply this technique to influence you for buying. If you go to the sweet shop, they will give a small sweet, a small sweet. Or an example like automatically, one small sweet matter of 1 rupee sweet also. Your perception about that shop is going to be changed like anything. Okay. So just I went somewhere, very recent, I went to my native place. There is one in Cherala, like there is one Patabi sweets, like one sweet shop is there. I went there. Usually I will take it, sir. Good shop. I went there. Then immediately he saw me. He know I came from Hyderabad, like that. Then immediately he took, sir, just a taste of this new sweet. Just a taste of this new sweet. Like 2 or 3 items he provided to me. Of course, I didn't take. My friend is there beside me. Just he is taking. Just I tasted a small part. Then our perception about that shop by default is going to be changed. And they are giving very much importance. Even we tasted the sweet, automatically we are always going to get in the feeling that okay, we require to buy. So, have you ever saw this type of technique, influence technique? Multiple
Yes.
times, right? This is the technique to improve the business. Even this technique on the roadside, mango seller is there on the cart, he's keeping the mangoes and he's selling, right? Fully uneducated person. He's uneducated, just he's a daily wage labor kind of thing. That person also trying to apply this principle on us. If you want, you can go there on the roadside, mangoes are there. He cut one mango, sir, just a taste one piece, sir, like he's going to give. Have you ever experienced this type of things? Wonderful. This is what reciprocation. That's why. So, if you want something, first you require to give. If you start giving, automatically the things are start coming. Reciprocation, dangerous principle. Human management, remember this. So people management, reciprocation.